Welcome to ORP Academy Episode 1, the free mod that every off-roader should use, airing down. Airing down your tires increases traction, comfort, and control by allowing them to flex and spread out. This results in better grip, a smoother ride, less risk of punctures from rocks, and improved handling on rough terrain. We're looking at you, rock crawlers. How low you can air down depends on your wheels and the terrain. With standard wheels, no bead locks, no bead grips, staying around 18 to 20 PSI for gravel, 14 to 16 PSI for rocks, and 10 to 12 PSI for sand or snow. Beadlock wheels or bead grips from Method allow you to safely go as low as 5 to 8 PSI for maximum traction. Yes, I've gone as low as 5 in snow. Stick to an all-terrain or mud terrain tire because a road tire with a stiff sidewall would not be good for this. While you can do it manually, we use the Apex Designs RPVs or the RCVs to air down. They're just a bigger diameter valve to air down in just 15 seconds per tire. To air back up, any pump will do, but at Off-Road Place, we use Thor's Lightning to air up all 4 tires in less than 4 minutes.